Yo, let's have a look at the Ichimoku cloud. I know that you've been many people requesting about it. I haven't had time actually to make it, so I'm going to show you how to use it. And we're using right now the TradingView platform. So let me show you. So TradingView, you can get it for free, the pro account. It's very easy, guys. You just generate a credit card number if you have this online bank, or use your real credit card number, doesn't matter, but go on the main page of tradingview.com and then click on try now and use the pro account. They will give you 30 days. Before the end of the 30 days, just cancel the subscription and start again with a new IP. So reboot your modem, refresh the page of TradingView using Control F5 and use a new credit card and a new email. So you can do this again and again and again if you don't have enough money to buy the pro version for a long time. That's how I used to do. So you can do that and it works. I did it for a while and cool. All right, I'm on TradingView then. I'm on the BTC/USDT and on the Binance one. So this one here, BTC/USDT. And I loaded the Ichimoku. So let me show you where. You go to the indicator here, Ichimoku, and that's the one here. Actually, is it this one or this one? Since I'm here, 27. Good question. It might be. Oh shit! This is funny because. Okay, that's the one. So that's the first one we saw. Okay, but once you add it, it will show you this. You have to go in setting, and you are in displacement here. It's on 26. You're gonna have to put 27. It's because some guy told TradingView a while ago that Ichimoku is starting from the last candle, the one that's from the candle that is currently used in use, which is not true. So it makes a displacement and something goes wrong. So you have to activate to put 27 here, 27. I recommend you to use commercial line these colors, okay? The blue, I put blue, but I could put another color like purple. My lagging span is very important. This one you need it, orange. And this, the lead is actually the cloud. So green and red. All right, and background color, you can leave it by default. It works pretty well. I think I just put it a bit less. I put 10% in both here. And say, okay. All right, so you don't see it now because I didn't activate. Let me activate. Now we activate it. Let me remove this trend line. I can show you how to do a trend line quickly. So I go on a daily time frame. Okay. I search for the highest point. You can see this one. So that one is one of it. I click here, okay, on the magnet, and I have this one here. Select the trend line. Then I click on top of here, and then I go click the second highest point. That's I see, okay. So my line is going very straight and long. It's because I did this. I go setting, extend right. You see, if I don't do, we will be like this, like you do now. But I click on extend. Okay, so I got my 2 points. So that's one of the big resistance here. We go look for another resistance. So we go at the next highest point, this one, and then we search another highest point here, the next one, which is here. Got it? And now we go look for another trend line. We go here, and I'm gonna go click here or here. Let me check which one is the highest. This one is the highest. So that's one here. But you see, it's gonna be we're getting closer and closer. So you know what, I'm gonna go straight up here and job done. Now we look for the one on the bottom. So same, look at the lowest point. We got here and here, and then we got here and here. So we cross past everything. So we're really already under it. So there's no point to trace this one. I can go trace it here, and we are right there on it. So which one are important here for us? Let's have a look. Is that very important to have this one? We are playing on it. So yeah, that's kind of confusing. Anyway, we are not here for the trend line, but I just wanted to show you a bit. we're going to Ichimoku. So I'm starting it. I'm going on a weekly time frame. You can have all this stuff here if you click here and you just select star, okay, from favorite. So that go faster. On a weekly time frame, that's nice to look at it because we can see each candle now is win 1 week, okay. And my lagging span is here. Very important to look at the lagging span because it's 25 period behind, and it actually shows us what could happen. It creates some kind of resistance. Exactly. So once again, I got a cat in the throat. So it oh, I've got an alert on my Twitter. So once again, this one got banned. Anyway, I want to look at the RSI 14 quickly, guys. I'm sorry. If you want to follow this account, Smart Alert RSI, this account. Okay, I got alert, automatic alert. That's I set for myself, and I can see when the RSI goes above the 70 band or under 30 band, and it helps me to know what to do later. Anyway, let's go back to TradingView. So I'm on my weekly time frame, and we can see we have the cloud here. The cloud is doing like a support for us. It's like a resistance. And we can see we have a resistance here, and that's where I traced it here. And another about here, but it's not based on this cloud. It's based on the previous cloud. But anyway, this resistance here, which is actually matching with my cloud on I think daily or 4 hours time frame, also match my cloud on a weekly time frame in the future. So we know that we have a big resistance here at 30,944 USDT. It's important to look at that. What else we can see? We don't see any. Where is our 10 can? Yeah, I don't have the name next to it. Not sure why did I put it. No, I don't have the name. Anyway, let's go on the daily time frame. You can see as well here. Let me remove all the graphics. We can see that we have this cloud here that is pushing us. So when we have a cloud, it's a difficult point of entry. If we get into it, we have a big chance to go all the way up. Okay, nothing to stop us. But at the moment, what's easier for our chart? It's to go around it, not into it. So it's pretty much easier for it to go all the way like that. Okay, and that gives us also a feeling of what could happen sooner or later. So I remove this shit. All right, and we can see it going to our resistance here. So anyway, our lagging, nothing at the moment. It could go up here because you see we have a 2 dodgy candle. It's most probably it used to go. It's easier for it to go when there is 3 dodgy candle. There is only 2. It might be hard. So also our lagging span is most probably going to go around our chart. So it could go here and up around here. But here you see 3 candle here, 3 dodgy. So maybe it's going to go into it. If it goes into it, we see we don't have many periods here. So it's like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 7 days. So 7 days from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's around here, this area. So here we could go into our cloud again because this is easy for it to go here, or it will keep going up. It could happen in 7 days, so we have time, right? That's it for the lagging span on a 4 hours time frame. Now let's go on a daily time frame. I'm going on a 4 hours time frame and see what we have here. Alors, Tenkan and Kijun. This purple line here, you see it here, our baseline here. Okay, Tenkan and Kijun. The stock is way under it, and it keeps going down. So what I recommend you guys to do is to use the MTF Ichimoku. You can find it here, MTF. You just write MTF, and that's the one from Anthony F50. Very good Ichimoku script. Very good one. You activate it, and it will give you some indication from. You see, like I have the daily Kijun and Tenkan. but I'm not on the daily. Now I'm on the daily, so here is my Kijun, here is my Tenkan. But if I go on a 4 hours time frame, I still can see it. Kijun and Tenkan. And it's important because we can have everything in one place. We don't need to look too much into it to find our indicators. So of course there is a lot of things to change here. Displacement 27. I recommend you to pause the video if you want to do exactly like me. I put on the 1 hour here, I want to see it, plus the Kimu. The Kimu is the cloud. Shigu, I don't care. But color, I put it yellow. It's for the text. Yeah, I want it to be yellow. Then I have the 4 hours, exactly same settings, plus the label. You see, it's here. I want the Shiku, no, the Shiku is our lagging span. Okay, that's the one with 25 period behind. I got the 1 week here, and same yellow. And here I put always the same color. First Tenkan, Kijun, always same. You see second, always same. So look at the color here for the first. Here. So you got this first. You pause it. You do the same with everywhere else. And when we get into the Kumo, which is the cloud, I always put it red here and about 0.03, 0.2%, 11%, 0% for the red, and I put 11% for the green everywhere. Okay, and that's it. I've got two of them because you can only have 4 indicators, so four time frame, and I want a 5th one. I want the monthly one. So I got this first one on monthly. Okay, and the colors are not exactly what I want. Yellow, blue, ichimoku first green. No, that's my lagging. Green and red. Alright. And for the color, same. Red, green. Job done. Sorry. Green and red. My bad. 20% is way too much. Huh? Put it 10. And yeah, we put it 1%, whatever. So that helps me because I can see what's going on in the future. So I'm on a 4 hours time frame here. And what do we see here? We have a resistance here and here. Yeah, we don't see much except that we are way under the cloud. So we are free to go. Our lagging span is here. This lagging span. So you see, I want it to stay above. So visual order, bring in front. And it's orange, so indeed it's not very easy to see. And I should be able to change that here, lagging span. And put it in something very clear to see. What can we try? Yellow, orange, red. Can put it red. Up. Change for you guys. We don't see it much more anyway. But anyway, we see we are here. All the dodgy candle we were above. Very easy to go into it. Very easy to try to crash into it and go down again. Up to our resistance here. So price could go down to 30,000, 31,000. Right now it's 4 p.m. in New York. All right, and we are the 12th of July. So if you want to look at it as a reference, you know where we are. Okay, I'm not sure I explained very well, but I will probably make another video again explaining how to use the ichimoku. There's a lot to tell, but it's not that complicated, and it's a very good way to indicate us exactly where are the resistance and how to take a decision of going up, going bullish or bearish, short call, long call. That's how we do. So I always do dailies, and I look at the 4 hours and at 1 hour time frame, and I can see what's going on. Right now, I'm more into thinking it's going to go more and more bearish because we cross past many of our resistance, like this one, for example. You see, we crossed it a while ago. It was like about 4 hours ago. What? Oh yeah, yes. It's about 2 hours ago, 4 hours ago. Yeah. So we crossed past here, and we are way down, guys. So nothing to stop us except this here. You see our lagging span is on our resistance right now, here on a 2 hours time frame. I usually don't even look at the 2 hours time frame, to be honest. I do 4 hours, 1 hour, and we crossed it on a 1 hour way long time ago, and in a 4 hours time frame, of course, we're still far away, but that's all normal. I look at 15 minutes also. I like the 15 minutes time frame because I do short term. So when I'm hot, I do the short term, and I look at the 15 minutes. But if I do look at the 15 minutes, it doesn't mean I'm not looking at the 1 hour and 4 hours and daily and weekly also. It's very important to always have a reference in the with other time frame, not just look and closely into this, because maybe something is going on in the 1 hour time frame, but here nothing. 2 hours time frame, something is going on, but I usually ignore it. But yeah, there is still something going on here. You see, so that could make it reverse if it doesn't want to cross it. And I always look at the 4 hours time frame. You see, we were done. Yeah. So that's it for the moment, guys. I've got the stochastic on the bottom here. That if I see the blue line, like here, you see the blue line goes above the red line. Here, blue line is almost going above it, but it's not yet. You see here, if it goes above, it means we're going to enter in a bullish period. It means it has been oversold. So we are going to go, people will buy. So it's gonna go in a bullish period, but we are not yet into it. And this might not cross before a while. Maybe it's gonna rebound. So, and I wouldn't only look at this. This is just one indicator. I wouldn't look into this only to make my decision. It's important to look at other indicators, and then you stick to your strategy and things will go fine. All right, it looks confusing here. You see a lot of graphics and everything, but it's because I've got my MTF. So if I remove the MTF, I've got way less information. All right, less indicators, and I don't know what's going on in the future. I can put the monthly one. You see it's very high here, so we're far away. And yeah, I can put back all my other indicators, weekly, 4 hours, etc. And that's give me way more indication. Okay, so that's it for the moment. You guys have a good evening, and you take care. See you. Bye bye.